Hi guys, today we're going to do like a Shein review because I got a package from holiday. I didn't get much in it because I spent loads of it on stuff that I didn't actually need, but I've kind of done my makeup, but I got this, oh god, wrong one, right, I didn't actually get it out. I got this shea glam powder and I haven't used it yet. I'm going to quickly do my concealer and then I'm going to do that. So the first thing that I got is a set. So you get 3 of these each. I have wet these. When you first get them, they're not really they're like really stiff and really hard to use. But when you wet them, they're like completely fine. I also got, wait, it's going to take us a while to get this out, right? I got this pink scrunchie. It was meant to go for one of the outfits, but it does not look very good. It's like really, really bad quality, but I don't know what I was really expecting from it. I also got, if I can get these off, got these 2 bows. You can hear noise upstairs, it's probably from the bed. So I got these 2 bows. They are very, very big, like very big. I mean, they're longer than my own hair, like my actual hair. I really like them. I'm going to use one of the new blenders. I still think they're like really stiff. They definitely don't like suck up as much product because my main ones, these ones, they literally use so much of my product. I might as well just not use them at this point because I don't know how to explain. When I'm going like that, my concealer just disappears. But with these, it's actually working. It's not just eating up all of my beautiful. So I'm going to quickly use this powder. Oh my god, it goes everywhere. I also got these in the set that I got. They're very, I don't know how to explain. They're like really sharp at the end and stuff. That is all the powder that comes off. Like, and this is the lighter shade other than the translucent. And I don't really like translucent powder because it just makes me look like Flashback Mary, if you know what that is. But this is the lighter shade and it doesn't look very flattering, I guess. Right, that just looks the same colour as my, whatever. I'm not going to use that. I think if I get it next time, I'll have to get translucent because that is just not working. Anyway, that's all of the makeup accessory products that I got from Shein. But I'm going to quickly finish the rest of my makeup, then I will be back to do the Shein review. Hi, I've done my makeup and we are here. I need pump socks up. Right. If you can see my background, it looks so good. I love it so much. Anyway, so I need to go get the clothes. Okay, they're not in the packaging anymore because I took them out because I need to try them on. And I actually got these nearly 3 weeks ago and I completely mind blanked to doing a video, so I'll be back. I'm going to put them on my bed. Also, I forgot to show you something. Look, I love it so much. I got this from Shein with the Shein stuff, and oh my god, isn't it really there? It's so cute. I'm definitely using this on holiday. I'm definitely bringing this on holiday. It's actually adorable. It goes with literally anything. It goes with these, and these are pajamas. So cute. I love it so much. Right, put that back. It's part of my little setup. People are looking at me through the window. But first, it's a set. I actually wanted this for so long. I've actually got an obsession. So, this is like a cropped jacket. But this is a jacket. I do not recommend wearing stuff underneath it, other than like a bra, because, like a really tight top, because it is so tight. I got this in an X small, and I also did not know it had a hood until about 2 seconds ago. These are like the jogging bottoms, the flared. So cute. Wait, is that the front, right? They're like really long on me, and they're also really tight because they're also in a neck small. These do have pockets. The jacket doesn't have pockets, and The one thing I'll say is, like, they only suit themselves together. Like, oh my god, what the hell? Sorry, I'm getting like goosebumps. It's so cold in my room. They only go together. If you pair them, like, if you get the jacket and some leggings, it doesn't look right. It might just be me, but I just don't think it looks right. Anyway, I'll quickly try that on for you. So this is it. Do a little spin around. Ooh. This is the outfit. I love it so much. The hood is a bit like, I don't know how to explain. I look like Little Red Riding Hood. Little Pink Red Riding Hood. Or Little Pink Riding Hood. I don't know. Anyway. And it also messes up my hair, makes it go all frizzy. The drum bums are like really long. I mean, I only wear like slurs of them. I only wear Converse with them, I should say. I've also got fluffy socks on, don't mind that. It is cropped, and also another thing, these sleeves constantly roll inwards, and you keep having to pull them out every 5 seconds. Same with this top, it keeps going like this while I'm trying to do stuff. Like, I've recorded this 4 times now because it keeps doing it. And I love these pockets. They're like just fit your hand, and I wouldn't put anything like valuable in them because if you can't see, they're going really low. So if you put anything in there, like your bank card or something, or your keys, they're just going to come out if you sit down, because if you sit down, they're trying to fall out. Anyway, next thing, these are pyjamas because I needed new ones. So these are the bottoms. I usually use them as low-waisted. I'm not a fan of these, you know. These have also got the... I hate tying them, they look horrendous. Anyway, then, oh god, this is the top. The top has adjustable straps, which is very nice. I love the adjustable straps. My cat's just came into the kitchen, I can hear her. But I'm not really a big fan of the top. It just, I wish it was like a tighter top. It just doesn't look very... Nah, it's pyjamas, I don't know why I'm complaining. It's not like I'm going to wear them anywhere, but I'll quickly put these on for you. Don't like it. I kinda like them, okay? I may have been a bit dramatic. The back looks really nice. Oh god. But like, it's so flowy, I don't like it. Like, I wish they were a bit tighter, because in the photo they looked a bit tighter than they are here, but they look really nice. I love them. I wish it was more cropped, because I like cropped stuff. But I do have to pull this thing really high up before wearing a bra, because otherwise you can literally see the bra, which is not exactly what you want to happen. It is so cold. I'm sorry, I'm putting the jacket on. I didn't really like these. Again, I don't really like the... whatever the hell that is. I also do not like this, the black line, because there's no black on here other than that, and it doesn't look very nice. So... oh my god, wait, these actually look quite nice together. Fashion icon over here. I'm definitely not wearing these out, obviously, because the pyjamas, and they're like really thin material. Like, it's like paper. You probably get a paper cut from there. Anyway, the last 2 things, these are separate. These aren't an outfit, they're together. So first, I'm going to put them on together though. Are these Jock-on bottoms. I needed grey joggers. I've got these, I think they're Minnie Mouse Jock-on bottoms. They're over there somewhere. But wait, I'll get them. Stains on them. These have literally just came out the wash, and you can see the dye stains where I'm dyed my hair. They're like all over it, right? It's like a Skims top with a Spider-Man logo on it. There was a red one and I think a black one, but I didn't really like the red one because it's not going to go with anything I'll wear, because I mainly wear pink, grey, black or white. I never even wear white, to be honest. But this top is so nice. I'll put them on. They're like so nice. And it's so comfy. I wouldn't probably wear these together. I mean, wait, if I make these suddenly low-waisted, that looks a bit better. I definitely would wear this bra underneath because you can literally see the bra. Like, it has to be very smooth. Mine's ribbed because it's like a sports one or a lounge bra, whatever they call it. But oh my god, that was horrendous. Sorry, my tan it's so bad. I'd probably like tie it to the back like that to make it look a bit better. These joggers are like really baggy. I feel like I'm wearing, I don't know what I think I'll outfit. I'm wearing a balloon right now. They're like really baggy. They probably look a bit better. They look a bit better when they're like high-waisted, but I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the jogging bottoms. Probably will not wear these out. I'll probably just wear these in the house. But the top is very nice. I can't. Every single time somebody walks past my window, I'm looking at them and I'm like, please don't look at me, because I don't think I'm talking to myself. I mean, I am. I'm talking to you, but I'm also talking to myself. But I really like this top. It's really comfy and it's really thin, so it was good on holiday. I've got 6 things. And in the rest of my orders, there's like 11 odd things. So you can tell I didn't spend my money very well. But that is it for this video. I am about to go and record another like 6 million trillion videos. Oh my god, I know them. Anyway, so I will see you in the next video. And you probably can't see me. I just realised it's really hard to have a camera angle right now. I can't actually see myself. I'm recording at the back of the camera. So I don't even know if you can see me right now. If you can, you can. If you can't, I'm sorry. But I love you. And I will see you in the next video.